14 Grand Cherokee, removing the shifter knob. I'm actually replacing this shifter plate here because this piece down here is broken. And you might be wondering how to remove it. Okay, it's pretty simple, simpler than you think. This is how you do it. Just grab it like this and give it a couple twists. Okay, we're going to remove this top piece of it. What it is just clipped on. So if we just go back and forth with it, it'll come off like this. Okay, there is a connector. There's a connector. Right on top here, there is a Torx T30. Okay, so we're gonna take that out. Then we can lift the shifter knob off. Okay, this one's kind of gross, but now it will allow me to pull this plate off. Okay, this plate just lifts off. All right, this is for my car stereo guys or any of my technicians that are working in here. All right, so if this was helpful, appreciate it if you could hit the like button for me or leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.